Understanding the role of genetics in health is crucial for comprehending the underlying factors that contribute to various health conditions, diseases, and traits. Genetics refers to the study of genes and their inheritance patterns, which play a significant role in determining an individual's susceptibility to certain health conditions and their response to environmental factors. Here's a comprehensive explanation of how genetics influence health. Genetic basics. Genes are units of heredity that carry instructions for the development, functioning, and maintenance of cells, tissues, and organisms. Each gene contains DNA sequences that encode specific proteins or regulate gene expression. Humans inherit 2 copies of most genes, one from each parent, which may be identical, homozygous, or different, heterozygous. Inheritance patterns. Genetic traits and disorders can be inherited according to different patterns, including autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X-linked dominant, and X-linked recessive inheritance. Autosomal dominant disorders occur when a single copy of a mutated gene is sufficient to cause the disorder, while all autosomal recessive disorders require 2 copies of the mutated gene. X-linked disorders are associated with genes located on the X chromosome and may affect males and females differently. Genetic variation. Genetic variation refers to differences in DNA sequences among individuals within a population. These variations can arise from mutations, genetic recombination and gene flow, single nucleotide polymorphisms, SNPs, insertions, deletions, and copy number variations, CNVs, are common types of genetic variations that may influence traits and susceptibility to diseases. Role in health and disease. Genetics plays a significant role in determining an individual's risk of developing various health conditions and diseases. Some diseases, such as cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Huntington's disease, are caused by mutations in single genes with a strong genetic component. Other complex diseases, including cancer, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and psychiatric disorders, result from the interplay of multiple genetic and environmental factors. Genetic disorders. Genetic disorders are conditions caused by abnormalities or mutations in genes or chromosomes. These disorders may affect various systems and organs in the body, leading to developmental abnormalities, functional impairments, or life-threatening complications. Examples of genetic disorders include Down syndrome, Duchenne muscular dystrophy, hemophilia, and Tay-Sachs disease. Genetic testing. Genetic testing involves analyzing an individual's DNA to identify genetic variations associated with specific traits, diseases, or conditions. Diagnostic genetic testing is used to diagnose suspected genetic disorders, while predictive genetic testing assesses an individual's risk of developing certain diseases later in life. Carrier testing helps identify individuals who carry a single copy of a mutated gene associated with autosomal recessive disorders. Pharmacogenomics. Pharmacogenomics is the study of how genetic variations influence an individual's response to drugs and medications. Genetic differences in drug metabolism, enzymes, drug transporters, and drug targets can affect drug efficacy, safety, and adverse reactions. Pharmacogenomic testing can help personalize medication regimens to optimize treatment outcomes and minimize side effects. Precision medicine. Precision medicine, also known as personalized medicine, involves tailoring medical treatments and interventions to individual patients based on their genetic makeup, lifestyle factors, and environmental influences. By considering genetic factors and other patient-specific characteristics, healthcare providers can develop more effective and targeted treatment strategies. Ethical and social implications. The growing use of genetic testing and genomic information raises ethical, legal, and social concerns related to privacy, confidentiality, genetic discrimination, and informed consent. It is essential to address these issues to ensure equitable access to genetic testing, protect individuals' rights, and promote responsible use of genetic information. Understanding the role of genetics in health is essential for elucidating the genetic basis of diseases, identifying individuals at increased risk of genetic disorders, and developing personalized approaches to prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. Genetic research and advances in genomic medicine hold promise for improving healthcare outcomes and advancing our understanding of human health and disease. However, it is crucial to consider the ethical, legal, and social implications of genetic testing and personalized medicine to ensure that genetic information is used responsibly and equitably. In conclusion, this video has provided a comprehensive overview of the role of genetics in health, highlighting its significance in understanding disease risk, diagnosis, and treatment. By exploring concepts such as inheritance patterns, genetic variation, genetic disorders, genetic testing, pharmacogenomics, precision medicine, and ethical considerations, viewers have gained insight into the complex interplay between genetics and health outcomes. As research in genetics continues to advance, it holds the potential to revolutionize healthcare by enabling personalized approaches to prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. However, it is essential to navigate the ethical, legal, and social implications of genetic information responsibly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on health and science. Together, let's continue exploring the fascinating world of genetics and its impact on human health.